In this video, I'll show you how to replace the side mirror of your Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2014. So the first step is to remove this cap that is covering the bolts. It's a plastic cap that it's held by clips, and you won't be able to remove it with your nails this way. Take a knife or a flathead screwdriver and simply unclip it from this corner and then work all the way around. It's better to take your fingers to rip it out afterwards to not damage the paint of the car. Just like that. You see, it's held by plastic clips. Now the next step, once you remove this, is obviously to remove the bolts. There are three 10mm sockets. This one is missing. Probably somebody replaced the mirror before me and forgot to put it back. But what you need now is to simply take a 10mm socket like this one and remove them. Make sure you don't lose them and they don't fall inside the door panel, because it's a big hassle to remove just to retrieve the bolt. Here I don't care, I'm at a scrap yard. This car is gonna get scrapped in a few days, so yeah, keep the bolts if you want to replace your mirror. Now, okay, you see this one fell inside of the door panel. Anyway, take your finger and fish the cable connector out, and now we need to unclip it. It's very easy. You just need to press the small latch right over here. You see on the top there's a latch. Press on it and pull the connector out. It's very hard to do it with only one hand. I'm holding my iPhone, so I suggest you put whatever tool you have and use two hands and you'll be able to pull them out. Now that the connector is removed, all you have to do is to go outside and pull the mirror. It's not held by anything. Here you go. To put back the mirror, the new one, simply insert it, put back the 10mm bolts, and put back the cover simply by slapping it. It's held by clips, so it will stay there by itself. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.